Lesson 4. Lesson 4 is about word order. Words in a Latin sentence typically are not in exactly the same order as they would be in an English sentence. And as I point out here, sum nauta and nauta sum mean the same thing. Let's look at the exercises. Exercise 1 means I am a sailor, and exercise 2 means I am a sailor. But in each exercise, the words are in a different order. In Latin, that simply does not matter. Word order does not matter nearly as much as it does in English. And let me give you an example of this. Take, for instance, the following sentence. The dog is chasing the boy. Now, in this sentence, because dog comes first, and then the word boy comes at the end, we know that the dog is the one doing the chasing, and the boy is running away. But if I switched dog and boy, the sentence would have a completely different meaning. So let's switch those two words, and now let's make the sentence say, the boy is chasing the dog. So you can see that in an English sentence, changing the word order can really change the meaning of the sentence completely. But that's not really the case in Latin. In Latin, we can switch the word order around, and the sentence will still mean the same thing because each Latin word has its own individual function. And many Latin words will have special endings that show what they do. So no matter where you put that Latin word, it's still going to have that same ending and that same function. So my point here in Lesson 4 is to simply get it in your mind not to worry so much about the word order of Latin sentences, and don't compare them to English sentences.